Right then, guys. So I just came back from the gym and I've decided to walk you through my notion that I've decided that I'm going to now run. So first I'm going to start off by showing you my old notion, which is, it's subpar, barely use it for everyday implication, but we'll go to the charts. Oh, it's just a habit of me saying it will go to the charts, even though it's not the charts. But this is what this typically looks like. So I've got four things here. Forex trading, YouTube, books, and journal. So when it comes to books, it's just some of the books I've read that I've decided to summarize. I've read more than three books, guys, by the way, but these are just a few books I've read and had some writing downs to, summarize it a little bit, have some notes so I can always go back and check. So like Atomic Habits, like, are fully completed, to be honest. So this is, what I've written down from my notes. Yeah, so I can always go back, check it out. Journal, got daily entry, which is empty because at the minute I am using an actual book. And you got goals, you got notes, you got shopping lists, so things I want to buy. So that's just what's in my journal. YouTube, it's just a few things here. Trading, what do I have? I have money to remind me that I lack this because of the amount of money I'm losing at the minute. Yeah. Anyway, so then I got my trading plan, some data, some trading reviews. So here you can see that I've got quarter one, quarter two, quarter three. So, tells me a few things. That was a beautiful quarter, by the way, minus lumps. I was loving life. Then you got quarter one, then you got January, and then boom, 0% win rate. We love that. 5 trades taken. I'm in deep pain. I'm actually in deep pain, guys. Anyway, we got trading data. So it's just, yeah, when I made this, I had no idea how, this actually works. Like, putting down like a database on Notion. And so yeah, I've got this. But I learned, and as you're gonna see soon, um, that was essentially what everything I had. Now, if we go to my updated one, slightly better than just, you know, these four just piled in. So we go to my life. Now, we've got a nice little quote here. It's nice. Marcus Aurelius, if anyone's, a good book is Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. So pick that up if you guys are interested. But yeah, I highly recommend that book. Anyway, so they're all basically empty at the minute, but I got the pillars. I called it the pillars. The three pillars at the minute I'm focusing on. So trading, fitness, and personal brand, which is YouTube right now. Actually, I need to update this. Boom. We're moving up in the world, guys. Anyway, so yeah. So we got my life, little cover, little picture. And I quote, you have power over your mind, not outside events. You realize this and you'll find strength. So everything that external, you know, it's just external. It doesn't have to affect your internal. But anyway, we're not here talking about stoicism or whatever anyway. So I'm gonna show you we've got the navigation on the side, right, which is pretty cool. So we got journal slash notes, which I will then fill up, and it's actually a bit empty. And I'm going to create a database so then I can have my daily entries and then boom, boom, boom. Goals, reflection, so reviewing months and months after months, see where I'm going. War room, I was originally going to call it plan of action, but I thought war room sounded a lot better. We got system guide. So if I'm ever lost and like, how do I do this? That is my system guide. It will just remind me of processes and systems I've built in my life, like to get me back on my feet if I ever stumble. So if I'm like, dropping out of my routine, I'll click on this and well, it's empty at the minute, but soon it will be filled up with systems that I can click. What my eating schedule should be like. what my sleep schedule should be like, what my morning routine should be like, what my evening routine should be like, etc., etc. So if I ever like fall out of grace with, my routine, I can remind myself, and it's just a how-to guide. So if I ever get lost, it's just a nice little place to have some information. A shopping list, there's contact list. I've got a contact list, you know, in the other one. This one's empty, but hey. Book summary, that's where I'm going to put the other one that we do not have. So anyway, now we're going to go to the 3 pillars I've got. So we got personal brands, subscribers, and then we got content. So down here I can show you some of the YouTube content, and yeah, it can go bang, bang, but it's not, it's actually to do, nothing's in progress, these have been completed, they're not out yet, they are not out yet, but they are scheduled, so you will see it soon. So that's why I put in completed YouTube shorts, nothing planned, nothing in progress. And well, there are a few completed, but I just didn't add it. So that's my content plan here, like, just to streamline it all, so I have it all there, and you got a document that can that that you can open up, and then boom, you got everything I needed here, which is great. And then we go back, we go to my about section. There's my about, so yeah, some info, some description, what I have under my video every time, about video description, so I can copy paste that, the link, and then I got my Instagram link here as well, so if you guys aren't following Instagram, click it down below. But yeah, that's it's pretty basic, pretty empty to be honest, but hey, it's not number one priority at the minute. Anyway, if we go back to here, now next is fitness. Again, very empty. I need to build on this, so that is yet to come. Still a work in progress. And then we've got trading. So here again, we got some cover, little icon. Some quote by the late Mark Douglas, unfortunately, R.I.P. No man ever reached to excellence in any art or profession without having passed through the slow and painful process of study and preparation. So yeah, let me tell you, it is painful. But anyway, and then down below we got useful links. So we've got what I use for my news. I got my trading journal. I probably shouldn't show you that link, but hey, that's a private Google Sheets document. Probably blur that out. You got the broker. Yep, here's the link to my broker. I'm not going to click on that because I will show you my accounts. Don't need that. And then we got 1, 2, 3. So we got the trading plan at the minute, which you can see here. It's yeah, filled up. And then we got trade forecast. We got trade review, which is the exact same thing from the other one, except I made it better. And now it's sorted out into little things. So I can move that here, move that here. But because it's quarter 1, I can actually move to quarter 2, and then bang, it's there as well. If I just remove that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. That's empty. Yep, that's empty. But it's the exact same thing, like it's got all of it. Quarter 4 review. Boom, December. I had 2 trades. I had a break even and a winning trade, so that ended me with a 4.5%, 50% win rate in December. That was great, great month. Yep, and then I got all of this sorted out for this year. So that's my trade review. So anyway, move back to trading. So then I got my goals that I haven't, yeah, I still work in progress, guys, but I haven't started it. I built the framework, now I just need to add the meat into the framework. So we got the goals, in this side, and then this side we got tools. So a playbook, psychological handbook. This is where I'm going to put all my information on how to deal with your psychology. So if I ever experience like overconfidence, I can click on it and be like, how to deal with overconfidence. Here are the steps. Blah 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 blah. Done. How to deal with greed, etc. etc. Anyway, trading reviews, trading knowledge, just a few things. They're just whatever I decide to fill it up with. Account information, that's probably going to be definitely private. The get bit is empty though, but it will be definitely private. Yeah, and trade forecast. Now, this is what I like about, me learning about the data sets. So now I can click onto January, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can go on week 1, and then you can say it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So let's say it's a Tuesday, and then boom, I already created the templates for it. So now I can have my pre-session outlooks. I can take screenshots, put it in here, and then after the end of the day, take a screenshot of what the market looks like, put it in there. News release today, let's say it's like NFP, and then psychological journal. So during the whole trading session, I'll be like, I feel great. And then market conclusion, I won £1 million. And then you can put the screenshot of the trade, review it, and then all that. And then after that's done, boom, you got it there. And then you can do it Wednesday, do it all again. Right after that, so you got Tuesday, Wednesday, and then you got a record of it. So what I plan on doing with this is to essentially build a forecast. So every session, before the London session opens, I click on it. I create a forecast. This is what the market looks like. This is my plan, and then I'm gonna journal throughout the session how I feel, like if I've taken any trades. If I do take a trade, journal the trade in there as well. Screenshot it. Did I follow the plan or not? Then boom. I'm also deciding to build a trading journal that will come soon, but not quite because I do have my own trading journal in my Google Sheets, but I might transfer it over to Notion and have it all set up in Notion, which will be nice. And again, with a journal, psychological journal, I have psychological journal here as well for my trading. So maybe one day I will go paperless and have it all on this site, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that is at the minute what I've got built right now. So we'll see, guys. Um, yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, but yeah, I'm gonna probably start running it properly next month after I finish building it, which is quite nice. If you like videos like this, let me know, guys, and peace out.